Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video is all about collection. Adorable crochet baby boy outfits designs that combine comfort, charm and beautiful handmade craftsmanship. Crochet fashion is not only for baby girls, baby boys can also look incredible stylish in creative crochet outfits that feature modern colors, classy patterns and adorable details. One of the most popular crochet baby boy dress design is the crochet romper. These outfits are loved because they look neat, comfortable, and perfect for everyday wear. Some rompers feature textured stitch patterns, while others include cute details like button buttons, pockets, suspenders, and collar designs that make them even more charming. Soft shades such as sky blue, beige, mint green, grey, and soft brown remain timeless choice for crochet baby boy fashion. These colors create a gentle and elegant appearance while highlighting the beauty of the handmade stitch work. Many modern crochet designers are also using earthy tones and neutral palettes to create stylish and contemporary baby outfits. Crochet overall sets are another favorite trend. The designs often include matching shorts, suspenders, and comfortable tops that create a complete outfit. The overall style gives a classic and playful appearance that looks perfect for family photos, celebrations, and special occasions. Many crochet baby outfits feature simple texture stitches that create visual interest without becoming overly decorative. Rib patterns, basket weaves, textures, cable-inspired stitch, and geometrical motifs add depth and style while maintaining a clean and masculine look. Matching crochet hat and outfit sets continue to be extremely popular. Tiny crochet caps, bear ear hats, newsboy caps, and matching accessories create adorable coordinated looks that instantly capture attention. These sets are especially loved for newborn photography and baby milestone pictures. Some crochet baby boy designs are inspired by little gentleman fashion, mini cardigans, crochet bow ties, collar tops, and suspenders. Sets create elegant outfits that look both sophisticated and adorable. These styles are perfect for birthdays, family gatherings, and special events where patterns want a polished and memorable look. Animal themed crochet outfits are also becoming interesting popular. Little bit outfits, bunny inspired sets, line themed hats, and wood lined creature designs add a playful and imaginative touch to baby fashion. These creative designs often become favorite keepsakes because of the unique and charming appearance. Crochet baby boy sweaters sets remain a timeless choice for cooler seasons. Soft cardigans, pullovers, hooded jackets, and matching pants create cozy and stylish outfits that keep babies comfortable while looking fashionable. Neutral colors and texture patterns make these sweater sets especially attractive. Another growing trend is the use of modern minimalistic crochet designs. These outfits focus on clean lines, simple silhouettes, and elegant color combinations rather than using many decorative elements. Minimalist crochet fashion highlights the beauty of stitch work itself, creating sophistication and timeless baby outfits. Striped crochet outfits are also loved because they add colorful color contrast while maintaining a classic appearance. Blue and white, green and beige, and navy and mustard combination create playful, yet stylish designs suitable for many occasions. Crochet baby boy fashion continues to evolve with modern trends while preserving the warmth and charm of handmade craftsmanship. Every outfit reflects creativity, care, and attention to detail, making crochet clothing feel special and meaningful. From cozy rompers and stylish overalls to gentleman-inspired sets, animal-themed outfits, matching style, head combinations, and modern minimalistic designs, Crochet Baby Boy Fashions offers endless inspiration for parents who love handmade style. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel, like and share. You can comment in this video. Please subscribe our channel, watch whole video till the end. These adorable designs prove that crochet fashion can be both practical and fashionable, creating precious outfits that looks beautiful in every moment and treasured family memories alike. The designs are more than just baby outfits. They are tiny works of handmade art that celebrate creativity, comfort, and beauty. Every design reflects creativity, patience, and the special handmade touch that make crochet fashion so meaningful. Basic color crochet dresses remain among the most popular choice. Mint greens and sky blues create dreamy outfits that peacefully suit baby fashion. These gentle colors highlight the delicate stitch patterns and create a sweet and angelic appearance. These designs celebrate traditional crochet techniques while creating modern and eye-catching baby fashion. These dresses often look like miniature versions of elegant from while remaining comfortable for babies. Thanks for watching.